Your new home is waiting for you in River Park South, with several walking trails that meander through 150 acres of parks, sports fields, playgrounds, and along 3 lakes. It is a place of true community where all your friends will want to visit. In this particular home, the current owners have been here for 39 years, loving and maintaining this family home. Over the years, the owners have enjoyed the layout of this home as much as you will, with it flowing seamlessly from one space to the next. A total of 3 bedrooms means that it is a home you can start out in and grow into as life changes. The primary bedroom has room for a king-size bed. With 2 full bathrooms, you will never be fighting for that space. And downstairs is an incredible rec room, complete with a fireplace and a wet bar. Gather with your friends, make a toast to your new home, or cozy up with a good movie and dream about the endless possibilities within this space. In the backyard, you have 0 maintenance, a beautiful gazebo to enjoy all summer long, and garden beds that are ready to get planted first thing this summer as soon as you move in. As well as a double garage with loads of room for storage. The entire backyard is a space that you will truly enjoy. Book a showing, check out the neighborhood. You are absolutely gonna love it here.